Bangalore is the second fastest growing major metropolis in India. As the technology hub of the country, it is often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India. 42% of the total workforce are migrants originating from Karnataka and other parts of India. When jobs are an attraction, residential spaces near job hubs are a natural attraction too. Given that Bangalore is becoming the melting pot of so many cultures, those with good spending capacity are looking at a global way of living. Hence, one can enjoy luxury living by investing in Prestige Lakeside Habitat. Prestige Lakeside Habitat is one of the largest residential developments by the Prestige Group till date, as well as the largest residential development in the entire country today. Being located at Whitefield, Sarjapur Road of East Bangalore, it is connected with an active web of roads, highways and expressways. This area serves as the nerve center of the city's IT sector and acts as a source of attraction for professionals working near Outer Ring Road, Sarjapur or Whitefield. With good infrastructure and all civic amenities already in place, this central locality is one of the most developed areas in the city. The location also enjoys excellent connectivity to the major MNCs like Hindustan Lever, Britannia, HP, Capgemini, Tata Elxsi, ITPL, Brigade Tech Park, Boroku Tech Park and many more. Just to give you a brief idea, Whitefield is less than 5 kilometers from this project. आप कह सकते हैं कि Prestige Lakeside Habitat modern Bengaluru का center है. With Bagman World Tech Center, Embassy Tech Square, Prestige Tech Park, ITPL, all of them close by. Various shopping malls like the Forum Value, Phoenix Market City, Park Square Mall and In-Orbit Mall are also close by. Vartha Lake, which is one of the most beautiful lakes in Bangalore, offering picturesque views and turning to be a favorite weekend destination for people residing in and around this region. Healthcare is also not far away. Whitefield is housed with clinics and hospitals like Dr. Muni Singh Clinic, Satya Sai General Hospital, Siemens Hearing Instruments Private Limited, Vaidehi Medical College and Hospital, Narayana Multi-Speciality Hospital. Launched in January 2014 with 24 buildings, 2,238 units, this project helps you unwind and relax. Gated community, percentage of open area, 3-level security, reserved parking, separate parking for guests, uninterrupted electricity. Landscape garden, multiple sports courts, kids play area, golf course, gym, swimming pool, these are some of the highlights of Prestige Lakeside Habitat. Our exquisite design of the homes are spacious and extraordinary that would amaze your mind. Prestige Group is a prominent real estate developer in India with 32 years of rich experience with a diverse portfolio. Established in 1986, Prestige Group holds the reputation of completing 126 residential projects. Now, let's just talk about prices. We got a variety of various luxurious properties starting from 85 lakhs to 2.06 crore rupees, from 2 BHK to 4 BHK apartments with size range from 1216 square feet to 222 square feet. Also known that this is RERA verified project. Other property in the vicinity are SM18 Alaya, Maina Maple, Halcyon at Brigade Corner Store Utopia. The broad price range of these properties collectively is 54 lakhs to over 2 crores. In comparison to Whitefield, Vartha is little expensive. However, since it is a settled area, it goes high on liability. Our verdict, Prestige Lakeside Habitat definitely looks like a good buy.